Ano? Ah, it was not announced to you kanina kasi secret to. Just like tradition, pag nagkakaroon tayo ng prom night, di ba, merong King and Queen of Hearts or of the night. So meron din tayong ganun tonight. We will announce the winner of the reunion King and Queen. The three advisors were asked to choose the reunion King and Queen. So, i-announce na ba natin yung winners?
Have you already chosen?
Miss Apayaw, please
Okay,
come
yan,
forward
ma'am.
to announce the chosen ones. Sino ang reunion King and
May we
Queen?
also ask Mr. Almendares to assist Ma'am Apayaw and also Miss Maliari?
O sila ang mga board of judges.
Yes.
Ano ba inyong criteria? Physical, spiritual, mental?
Mental.
Ano?
Walang magwawagi.
Psychological?
Walang nagwagi sa mental.
Yung mananalo.
Hello?
Show your talent daw yung mananalo. Parurusahan kayo pag nanalo kayo. Pag sasayawin kayo, patutulain kayo, yun ay sabihin na reunion King and Queen. So, ma'am, can we come up stage?
I will
To
be the one
announce.
to announce now, according to the organizers. You know, it was very difficult for us to choose because if you choose from among these beautiful people, it's really very difficult. And we asked, Normie, what are the criteria? Sabi niyang ganun, bahala na kayo, ma'am. Nag-isip kami ano ba? Kagaya ng sinabi ni Mira, is it spiritual, physical, emotional, social, whatever? And so we decided, we have to look at all of them, all of you, from head to toe, according to beauty, according to behavior, according to physical appearance. And so we have decided, finally, ang daming nominees. Everyone was nominated and we went to that corner. And so we said, we have decided that we will give the prize of hindi prom. Should be Reunion King. Additional from Mrs. Rojas.
Actually, had I been given the right choice and had I been given the option, I would have actually I would actually choose Mr. Marcaide. Kaya lang masyado ng maraming award. Tsaka, hindi namin malaman kung saan namin ilalagay. Kaya pwede ba sa susunod, lagyan nyo ng kategoryang pwede siya, ha?
All right. And so, we said, the reunion king is Mr. Handsome. No other than, I'm looking at him with a necktie, checkered green. Is that green color? Is it green or what? Mr. Raymond Carcelior. What section did you belong before? What section? From Section B. Mr. Almendares, he was with you. All right, this is Raymond Carcelior. Look at him, very handsome. Okay, picture muna. Picture first. And the queen is coming from what section? The dress is red. Look around you. Who is in red tonight? I am in red. I can be one. Coming from section C, Marisa Mendoza. She's a very good singer. Wow.
Alam nyo kung bakit hindi kami binigyan ng criteria, ha? So ang pinili na lang namin, we chose the one who's so good at camouflaging. Through the years, naitago pa rin lahat. Di ba? Kasi kami hindi na namin maitago bulges on the wrong places. Siya, okay na okay pa rin. Di ba?
Congratulations to the two of you. Maybe we can request them to have a dance.
Okay, actually, it's the surprise yata si Raymond because you are supposed to serenade the king and queen of the night. So, since you're the king, you just have to serenade your queen tonight. Okay? So,
Okay.
a song from
Raymond!
Raymond.
Hello. Good evening, my beloved classmates and advisor. This song is dedicated